Huber, Success on the Fly Marketing, broadcasting to you live from beautiful Vancouver, Canada. Today I have a very quick tip on how to repost an existing post inside your Google My Business listing. Why would you want to do that? Well, as a busy business owner, perhaps you just don't have the time to come up with fresh content. So I'd suggest looking at a post that has got some great engagement in past and reposting. That will continue to give fresh content to your Google My Business listing. Again, content that your followers or people that are looking for your products and services online may not have seen before. And if so, it'll be a good refresher for them, and it's a win-win. So here is how to do it. In the back office of your Google My Business listing, just tap Profile, and you'll go to the top menu where you see Posts, and then scroll down to the post that you'd like to repost. And so I'll look for one of mine that did very well for the purposes of this example, and just bring it up by tapping, and you can see that it had 21 views and 1 engagement. It's a good post about the 6 keys that help you get the most out of posting on your business listing on Google. And as you scroll down, it talks about getting a free guide, and with the call to action button, learn more, that immediately opens up about a 6-page PDF report, which is immediately accessible and downloadable to people who tap learn more. So it's a very great way to get engagement. Of course, the learn more button can direct people to your website, to a blog article, whatever it is that the posting was. Could be a call now button, anything you want. So make sure you always utilize the call to action button in your posting. So very simply, go back where it says copy to new post, tap that, and so your post is here. It is calling for a new photo. So all you have to do is just choose a photo from the gallery, and let me just quickly scroll down to find something that would be appropriate. And let's just keep scrolling here. Okay, that looks like a good one. And so we have a fresh image to go with your existing post, and we'll just keep everything as far as the learn more action button. Again, you can see that the link goes directly to my downloadable report as the PDF file. There it is, and we'll just hit publish, and there you go. So you can see on the screen, top middle, it says publishing. And we can now view the new post. Whoops, I missed that. Anyway, we'll just, oh, there it is, right there. We'll just tap that, and as you can see, it was published 9 seconds ago. And there's the image to the post that I created a few months back now, with the offer to the free guide on the 6 ways to help you get most out of posting on your business listing on Google. So I hope you appreciated that quick hack as a busy business owner. I'm sure you'll get some great value and mileage out of that. And in summary, my name is Mark Huber, where we help busy business owners and entrepreneurs, individuals perhaps just like you, increase your reach and visibility and revenue through the power of optimizing your Google My Business listings. I'd be happy to speak with you. If you have any questions or thoughts, I'm always open for pitch-free chats, and always available. So until the next video, Mark Huber from Vancouver, over and out. Goodbye for now.